Hello and welcome back, teachers. In the last video, we saw how one applies on the Hyriki Teacher platform to any job vacancy that you see, right? In this video, we are going to take you through the MCQ assessment round, which is step 1 assessment round on the Hyriki platform, right? Let's begin. So when the application is submitted successfully, you will see this screen, which is the assessment consent screen. Remember that this is a camera proctored assessment. Your device camera, your laptop camera or your phone camera or your tablet camera is going to be used, and your face is going to be captured throughout the assessment. So it is necessary that you agree to take the proctored assessment, because this is going to be captured. Now, once you click on I understand and agree, you can press continue. Once you continue, your assessment consent is taken, and this is the screen that you will be seeing. Now, it is important for you to understand that this screen gives you the details of your vacancy, which is here, the school. At the same time, it will tell you the number of questions that this assessment has. Since this is a demonstration, I have kept the number of questions as 5, because it's a shorter explanation. It's easier for you to understand. And then you will also see that this is the duration of the assessment and the format, which is the MCQ format. You will see certain assessment instructions here as well. Okay, we always suggest that you take this assessment on a desktop or a laptop, which is a computer machine. For the best experience, please use Google Chrome browser. Okay, of course you can take it on a phone or a tablet as well. Okay, you will have limited time. This is a timed assessment, so please ensure that you keep the track of time. All right, you can always go back to questions when you are doing the assessment, but once it is submitted, you will not be able to go back. All right, let us start with the assessment. Once you start with the assessment, this will load the full screen of the assessment. Okay, you will see that this is how the screen looks like. It's a standard assessment screen. There are different sections in this assessment. There is a pedagogy section, as you can see here. Then there are questions here. Then there are alternatives, because it's an MCQ based assessment. You will see that this is a marking specifically for the questions that you are on, which is a purple, which is current question. Let's say you answer this question by clicking here. You go to the next question, and that is how you will see that there are different types of these questions. There are questions on pedagogy, as you saw first. There are questions on subject knowledge. There are questions on communication questions, bookmark questions. You can do that, right? And finally, once you are done answering all the questions, you can always go back to the questions as well and check if you have missed any. Okay, if there is an unseen question, which means it will be grayed out. Okay, now this is your screen. This is how the assessment screen looks like. Now it means all questions are answered, all of them are green, and you can now submit the assessment. There is a submit assessment button on the bottom right hand side. When you click on the submit button, you will see that there is a prompt that comes up. Are you sure you want to submit? You won't be able to change the answers after submission. You press on confirm. After you confirm, the full screen mode is exited. And once the full screen mode exits, you will immediately be able to see your assessment score. Okay. Now, obviously, since I have answered the question and maybe I got one question correct, my score is 1 on 5. Okay. You will see the breakup of the section wise breakup as well for pedagogy questions, communication skills, digital literacy, and subject knowledge. All right. Now, Since I had kept the passing percentage of this assessment low to show you how it looks like, uh, the result shows as passed. But the schools may choose to have a higher cutoff, either a 50%, 60%, 80%, depending upon their choice of difficulty level. All right. Now, this is what an assessment looks like. This is how you take the assessment on the Hyriki platform. After this, there will be a demo evaluation stage, which we will see in the next video. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.